Augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that layers computer-generated enhancements on top of an existing reality in order to make it more meaningful and intractable. AR is developed into apps and used on portable devices to blend digital components into the real world in such a way that they enhance one another, but can also be told apart easily. AR platform allows retailers and manufacturers to connect with end users by providing them to experience the products at home before buying. AR technology is quickly coming into the mainstream. It is used to display score overlays on telecasted sports games and pop out 3D emails, photos, or text messages on mobile devices. Leaders of the technology industry are also using augmented reality to do amazing and revolutionary things with holograms and motion-activated commands. Augmented reality. Main applications and instruments used: Microsoft HoloLens, Google Glass, Magic Leap, 8-Ear, Osterhout Design Group. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, immerses a user in an imagined or replicated world like movies or video games. In other words, it simulates presence in the real world, like watching a live concert or watching a live football game. In short, VR is an artificial, computer-generated simulation or recreation of a real-life environment or situation. Virtual reality can take you to an imaginary world of planets, moon, heaven, hell, or DC universe. Or can take to real places on the other side of the world, which users can explore in the comfort of their own home. Virtual reality has no direct interaction within the real world, unless something else has been set up for it. Virtual reality. Main applications and instruments used: Facebook Oculus, Samsung Gear Virtual Reality, Google Cardboard, HTC Vive, Sony PSVR, Vuzix Eyewear, Virtual Reality Union Claire. Virtual reality versus augmented reality. Both have the prerequisite to become the next big computing platform. We have a lot of scenarios around us where virtual reality and augmented reality can reform existing ways of doing things. Let it be buying a new car, or interacting with a doctor, or watching a live concert. Both have different use cases, different technologies, and different marketability. Mostly people gets confused between the two, and some carelessly club together as one. One easy way to differentiate one another is to note that virtual reality uses an opaque headset which takes your vision from everything else, so as to immerse you in a virtual world. Whereas, augmented reality uses a clear headset, so the users can see the world as it is with an overlay information and descriptions onto it. Use cases for virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality has the potential to impact the existing and new market in a big way. Some of the main impacted markets where the virtual and augmented reality technology is most looked after are: video games. Virtual reality enhances the video game experience by completely immersing a user in a virtual world. Whereas, augmented reality technology can turn your physical world into a video game canvas. Healthcare. We currently seeing many use case for VR and AR in healthcare. Much like a tool to aid doctors in medical procedure. For physical therapy to treat phobias, like fear of heights, anxiety disorders. Also to increase access to doctors, through virtual visits. Engineering. We can already see the impact of virtual reality, and augmented reality, has done on computer-aided manufacturing, and computer-aided design markets. In product manufacturing, VR and AR can enable engineers to test scenarios, and designs before it is actually made, driving productivity and cutting down on the cost of wasted materials. Education. Even though both the technology has been sparsely used in education at present, it has the potential to be a standard tool in education in any level, be it in schools, colleges, or for higher educations. Instructors can utilize this medium to interact with students, in a three-dimensional environment. Retail. There are still a major portion in retail market unable to penetrate through e-commerce. Many believe these challenges can overcome by adopting virtual and augmented reality technology. Real estate. Virtual reality is becoming a major tool in real estate marketing. Real estate giants are already experimenting with virtual reality to show plots, homes, and office premises to prospective buyers. Military. Many military units around the world has started using virtual reality for their training purpose. US military has been using the VR for the last 6 years or so with proprietary hardware and software.